Now here's today's project, something a little bit different. Got this really pristine condition, probably early 1980s Panasonic radio cassette player. Used to be called Ghetto Blasters, I think, in the day. It's at least 40 years old, but it looks like it just about came out of the box. Well, it's had a few issues that have developed over time, like time-related issues, like dirty switches and contacts and some soldering that was a little bit iffy. That's been fixed. The cassette deck surprisingly still works, but in addition to that, it's been also had Bluetooth added. So what we do here is we turn the radio on. So there's the radio. Turn the radio off, and we go hit the record button, which turns the Bluetooth on.
Connected.
And we wait for it to connect, which it just did, and we go to the phone. So, Bluetooth on a 40-odd-year-old radio cassette player, which is in absolute pristine condition, and it's done completely without any modification of the cabinet or anything. It looks totally original. You just press the record button and Bluetooth starts up. If you don't want to use Bluetooth, turn your phone off, or turn your Bluetooth on your phone off. Simple as that. There's no changes whatsoever to the originality of this unit.